Welcome to Tulane University and the library. My name is Wedig, and I'm the coordinator for scholarly resources for the social sciences.
And my name is Raquel Horlick, and I am the coordinator for scholarly resources for sciences and engineering.
We are two of the librarians available to help you navigate Tulane resources effectively and efficiently so you can make the most of your time here. We work at the Howard-Tilton Memorial Library, which is the main library, and it's located on the Uptown campus. There are many other libraries and archives, all with different specialties at Tulane. Howard-Tilton, along with the university's Special Collections, Latin American Library, University Archives, and the Matas Health Sciences Library, share resources and administration. There are also other libraries on campus, including the Turchin Business Library, the Law Library, as well as the Newcomb Archives and the Amistad Research Center that are all available to you as graduate students.
Librarians are available to you across both campuses. We have librarians specializing in the humanities, social sciences, health sciences, as well as sciences and engineering. In addition to these subject specialists, we also have librarians who focus on research data management, digital scholarship, and scholarly publishing. You can make an appointment with us and we can meet either one-on-one or with your research team. We also offer open research workshops throughout the year. For those of you who are TAing, librarians can come to your class to offer additional support. All of these services can be available to you online through Zoom or in person when possible.
As a graduate student, you can borrow up to 50 books at a time. Remote virtual access is available for a large portion of the material in the library. Now that you're a Tulane student, you can have access to this material from anywhere. Just start from the library homepage. Do a search from our search box or type in what you're looking for and follow the TU link. If you're off campus, start from the library homepage for seamless access. Interlibrary loan services and borrowing from other libraries are there so that you can access or have access to everything that we have and beyond for no additional cost. Scan and Deliver is a service that includes scanning journal articles, book chapters from the library's circulating and print collections, and it is delivered to you electronically.
The library has both PCs and Macs that are available to you for use. They're located primarily on the first floor, but they can also be found in our elevator lobbies. All of our computers have a variety of different types of software already installed. If you need to do any printing, photocopying, or scanning, you will find that our printers, photocopiers, and scanners are also on the first floor. And conveniently enough, if you have any problems with your own personal computer, Tulane IT has set up a help desk also located on that first floor of the library.
As graduate students, you spend an enormous amount of time doing research. The library has dedicated space just for graduate students, which include graduate study carrels, which are assigned for 1 year, graduate study space, which are common spaces with lockers available on a first-come, first-served basis and accessible by using your splash card, your Tulane ID. Open study space for quiet work and collaboration, scattered throughout the building and available to all.
What we have covered is just a taste of what the libraries and archives have to offer. So please, do not hesitate to contact us or your subject librarian. We want to hear from you.